This is my 21st COP. I've been to every single one, so I didn't want to miss it. This is the big one. I come to the negotiations in order to support the negotiators from some of the poorest countries. They negotiate as a group called the least developed countries. The vulnerable countries, including the least developed countries, but many other vulnerable countries together, have made a very clear demand, and that is what the long-term goal coming out of the Paris Agreement is. At the moment, the agreed global temperature rise is 2 degrees. The vulnerable countries feel that that is not a viable global goal to have, because many, many poor people in the poor countries will not be able to manage with that temperature growth. It will fall below that. So the demand is for a 1.5 degree global goal, temperature goal. Realizing it's very difficult to do, but also saying that it's not impossible to do. There's enough money to do it, there's enough technology to do it, there's not enough political will to do it. But we have another 2 weeks to generate that political will and make it happen. Whatever we agree in Paris is not going to affect what's going to happen to the atmosphere in our lifetimes. We are negotiating what we're going to leave behind for our children and grandchildren here in Paris. Because the next 20 years of climate change is already locked into the atmosphere. If the global leaders of planet Earth, 200 countries on planet Earth representing 7 billion people, make the wrong decisions here, then we'll be leaving a planet that is much, much worse than we had inherited from our parents, that we will leave behind for our children.